I love you. I love you mean an nakaji in Nuer language. I love you. Hern nakaji. I stand for hen. Hen. Love mean nok, but in this basic phrases we say it because we are making a sentence. We say it noaka just for expression, and J mean you. But love as a word in Nuer language, it means nok. Okay, nok. It's different from nakaji, nok. But since we are making a sentence, so we use nakaji, naka. I love you, hen nakaji. I mean hern. All right. So mean hern. Love mean nok, and you mean G. Or we can say simple jin. The real meaning is jin, but in making a sentence or a phrase, we use how the people communicate when they are communicating in Nuer language. And nakaji, okay, I loved you, and nakaji. All right, but when we are using you as a word or a vocabulary, we can simply say it jin. But in talking, we don't use it jin. We say it ji, like when we are making a sentence. But when you are pointing something out, okay, or you are being specific, we say jin, like jin. But here we are saying as a full sentence, we can say it hen noakaji. I love you. Hen noakaji. Hen noakaji. I love you. Hen noakaji. I love you.